This video will show you how you can take parts of this group, such as the calendar, and make it public so that your parents can have access to your assignments, possibly your announcements, or really any part of your group space you'd like them to see. This is a review from earlier, but will highlight just how to make it public. Go ahead and in your sample group, click on Edit. An edit will come up, which allows you to make changes to the name of the group, the description. We talked about adding members with the auto-approve code, working on your workspace, but this is the piece right here, the privacy. If I have only group members can view this content checked, then the person has to be logged into My Big Campus to see it. But if I check this box, then I can decide which parts, discussions, announcements, calendar, resources, pages, I want other people to see. And I would like for my students to be able to see the calendar because that's where I'm posting my homework. If you're planning to use the announcements feature quite often and you'd like parents to see that, you can check that too. Whatever you check when somebody has the web address to your group, if you have checked these boxes, they will also have access to read what is in them. And I'll show you an example in just a minute. We've already dealt with this other stuff, so I'm just going to say save. And now the very last step is simple. Back at your sample group or your class group, you're going to take this web address and copy it. And when you copy that, that is now what you would post on SchoolWires or distribute to your students and parents in order for them to get to this space. They will not have to log into My Big Campus. And I'll show you what I mean. I'll open Safari and I will paste that web address in. And I'm going to this particular address without actually being logged into My Big Campus. I've enabled the calendar, so when I click on it, I can see the calendar. But if I try to click on something else, such as announcements, which I did not enable, you'll see that it prompts me to go to the login. If I go back, I'm back here at the calendar space. So this is a way that the outside public can see pieces and parts of My Big Campus without logging in.